How to clean kitchen cabinets. 10 pro cleaning steps for grease and stains. Grease on your cabinets isn't dirt, it's a chemical deposit. Hot oil rides steam into the air, lands on your doors, and cures into a thin polymer film, just like varnish drying on wood. Soap wipes off fresh oil in seconds. It barely touches cured oil. Here are the 10 professional steps that handle both.
Step 1. Clear the surface dry, starting at the top. Loose dust turns into a scratching slurry the moment you go wet. Step 2. Spot test where nobody looks, on a hidden inside edge, and wait 5 minutes before judging any product safe. Step 3. Mix the strength your soil needs. Warm water always, and stop diluting once buildup turns sticky. Apply soap neat instead. Step 4. Let the cleaner sit before you wipe. Almost everyone skips this, and it's the real secret. The surfactant needs contact minutes, not instant scrubbing. Step 5. Work one door at a time, along the grain, never across it, so grease actually lifts out instead of smearing sideways.
Step 6. Lift hardened grease with a plastic razor at a shallow angle. Plastic sits below every cabinet finish, so it clears the glaze without cutting the coating. Step 7. Detail the corners and hardware with a soft toothbrush. Handles carry the heaviest grease in the room, since hands transfer oil straight onto them. Step 8. Rinse with a second clean cloth. Soap residue left behind just dries into a dull film that attracts more dust. Step 9. Dry within 1 minute. Then buff. Standing water is what actually swells cabinet cores far more than any cleaner ever could. And step 10. Protect what you just cleaned. A cabinet cream on sealed wood a few times a year, but skip oil products completely on painted or laminate doors.
The one product rule and the biggest mistake. For most kitchens, a water-based citrus or enzymatic degreaser, diluted, is the safest strong option there is. Never reach for ammonia, bleach, steel wool, or melamine foam erasers. Every one strips the finish permanently. And skip the baking soda and vinegar trick. The acid and alkaline cancel each other out, leaving salty water and nothing that actually cuts grease. Match your method to the age of the grease. Give the cleaner time to work and dry fast. Do that, and a kitchen written off as permanently greasy comes back in one afternoon. If you're ready for a full kitchen renovation and refresh, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.